Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Joel L. PAGOBO, BSA 2. I'm going to report operational provisions. Section 13. Statutory provisions on entrance and clearance. The provisions of Section 1001-1025 of the Tariff and Custom Code of the Philippines as amended on entrance and clearance of vessel are deemed incorporated in this manual. Section 14. Pre-arrival. Notice of arrival with the estimated time arrival. The shipping agent or representative of any vessel engaged in foreign trade entering any of the Philippine port of entry shall notify the Piers in Inspection Division, Bay Service Section, or its equivalent office of the vessel arrival and all other particulars at least 24 hours in advance. Letter B. Assignment of Customs Boarding Team. The Customs Boarding Team shall be assigned by the Chief Bay Service Section or equivalent office through a duly signed assignment order. The Customs Senior Boarding Officer shall, with his initials, note down on all the copies of inward foreign cargo manifest delivered to him by the master of the vessel the specific time and date when such documents were received. If the inward foreign cargo manifest is not in the English language, the Customs Senior Boarding Officer shall require its translation to English before accepting the same. Section 15. Arrival. Documents or permits. Number 1. Quarantine certificate for incoming vessel from a foreign port. Number 2. Entrance of vessel from a foreign port. The following custom personnel shall be the members of the Customs Boarding Team. C. Submission of advance electronic manifest before arrival of vessel engaged in foreign trade through E2M customs system and penalties. Registration of e-manifest. The system automatically re-registers a manifest in the 2M customs system if the manifest meets the submission deadline. However, if the deadline is missed, the consigned shipping line or agent should submit a formal request letter of the office, the deputy collector for operations, to allow a BOC-initiated manual registration of the manifests in E2M. Number 3. Documents to be produced by master upon entry of vessel. The following documents properly accomplished shall be submitted by the Customs Senior Board Officer. Distribution of inward foreign manifest, IFM hard copies. 6. Endorsement of permits. The following permits shall be endorsed on the reverse side thereof. 3 kinds of shipside permit. A. Regular shipside permit. B. Special shipside permit. C. Temporary shipside permit. Pending issuance of shipside permits. The customs inspector on board may receive written requests from consignees, countersigned by the ship agent and approved by the collector of customs, that certain designated goods be discharged into separate carriers. Transfer note or boat note shall be made in sextuplicate by the custom inspector on board for cargoes delivered at shipside. The transfer note shall show the following: B. Boarding sequence. The vessel upon arrival from a foreign port at the port of entry and after the issuance of the quarantine certificate by the Bureau of Quarantine shall be boarded on the following order. Letter C. Customs boarding team on foreign vessel. Letter D. Actual time of arrival ATA of foreign vessel through E2M customs system. After boarding formalities, the E2M OIC of Piers and Inspection Division Bay Service Section shall input the actual time of arrival, or ETA, from the boarding information sheet submitted by the custom boarding officer. Letter E. Submission of supplemental cargo manifest. Submission is treated as non-compliant late submission and shall be subject to penalty as stated in Part 11, Section 14C of this manual. Letter F. Unloading of cargoes. Number 1. Containerized, and these are the following samples. Bulk and break bulk. The clearance of cargoes for bulk and break bulk cargoes shipments such as liquids, chemicals, petroleums, products, and all other cargo shipped in bulk or break bulk, the duties and taxes of which are normally determined by weight, shall be governed by pertinent regulations, more particularly CAO 32010 and CMO or 01A2010 on procedure for the bulk and break bulk cargo clearance enhancement program mandated under Administrative Order number 4.43 as amended by AO 243A. 2.1 Unloading of bulk and break bulk cargoes at shipside. Shipside discharge of cargoes shall be authorized only upon presentation necessary shipside permit issued by the Deputy Collector for operations. Upon receipt of the shipside permit, the custom inspector assigned on board shall, and these are the following. These are the duties of custom inspectors relative to import cargo. These are receiving import cargo. Unloading of cargoes at dockside. Import cargoes. All cargoes discharged at dockside from a vessel shall not be accounted for by the custom inspector. These are the passengers, baggage, parcel list, and crew personal effects. Section 16. Departure. These are the documents or permits. B. Stuffing and loading of cargoes. Containerized. These are the instructions relative to stuffing of containerized export cargoes. Section 18. Transshipment. Customs procedure under which goods are transferred under customs control from the importing means of transfer to the exporting means of transfer within the area of one custom office, which is the office of both importation and exportation. Section 19. Transfer of imported cargo. outside CYCFS. After having been duly processed at the Office of Deputy Collector for Operations, the permit to transfer to outside CY1 CFS shall be cursed through the Custom Container Control Division, posting of container numbers and their individual transfer.